Very good morning, students. We have completed first chapter. Okay, the challenge of national building. Right? There are the main challenges. Three main challenge. Right? We have completed so far. Partition, displacement and rehabilitation, right, and process of partitions. Complete. This is complete. And problem of displacement, consequences of partition, all these are completed. Integration of princely state we have completed. Government approach we have completed. Instruments of accession we have completed. Reorganization of states we have completed, right? And the fact about matter I have already explained you these all things. And what today's I just asked some questions. I have written some questions and you just learn it and jot down it in your notebook. Name the leader of the freedom fighter movement of India who was popularly known as Frontier Gandhi. The answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, right? Question 2. Name the leader who played a historical role in negotiating with the rules of princely state to join the Indian Union. Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Third question is mention the main recommendation of the state reorganization commissions of 1953 and what was the basis of the report of the state reorganization commissions. This is third question. The basis report of state reorganization commission was that boundary of state should reflect boundary of different languages, right? Now the question 4. What is the two nation theory advanced by Muslim League? According to the two nation theory, India consisted of not one but two people, Hindu and Muslim. That is why it is demanded Pakistan a separate country for the Muslim, right? What is the question 5? Which four princely state of India initially registered to join Indian Union? The princely state of Junagadh, Hyderabad, Kashmir and Manipur initially rigid to join the Indian Union. Rigid means they opposed, right? What was the huge obstacle in national building at the time of Indian independence? The huge obstacle in national building at the time of India's independence was to shape a nation that was united yet accommodative of the diversity in our society, right? However, the state reorganization on linguistic basis in India 1956. Why were the state reorganized, right, on linguistic basis in India in 1956? The state were reorganized on linguistic basis under the pressure of people and leader, and also it helped to preserve the diverse culture of India. Which two princely states refused to join either Pakistan or India at the time of independence? Answer is Hyderabad, Junagadh and Kashmir refused to join either Pakistan or India at the time of independence. Question number 9. What do you understand by instruments of accession? The instruments of accession was legal document created in 1947. It was executed by Government of India to princely state which was signed by the most of the ruler. Question number 10. When and by whom was the Trust and Destiny speech delivered? Trust and Destiny speech delivered by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru at midnight on 15 August 1947. Which theory was behind the partition of India in 1947? The two-nation theory of Muslim League was behind the partition of India in 1947. How many princely states were India at the time of its independence? At the time of independence, there were 565 princely states in India. Where was the Trust with Destiny speech delivered by Nehru? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru delivered Trust with Destiny speech from Red Fort, Delhi on 15 August 1947. Question of give the name of two provinces which were also divided during the partition of India. The two provinces which were divided during the partition of India were Punjab and Bengal. Why did the leaders of the national movement cherish the ideal of secular nation? Give any reason. The leader of national movement cherished the ideal of secular nation because they knew that India, Bharat, is a land of many religions, and so in order to survive as an under country, India had to follow secular deals. Thank you, students. There are 50 questions. Now later on I will ask you, and just you jot down it in order to thank, and have a good day for watching the video.